It's an absolute honor to get into Sundance. There's no other way of saying it.
If you're finishing a film and you're saying, oh, we don't care about Sundance, of course everyone does.
It's like the gold standard. It just feels really special, and you become part of this Sundance family.
When you get in, you are really excited because it matters.
The aesthetic of the whole film was kind of set by working in Premiere and the whole Creative Cloud suite. We had just over 6,000 archival assets. We did all kinds of animations. We were able to flip between Photoshop and After Effects. It was such a powerful tool for us. The flexibility that it was able to offer us and the creativity, it was amazing.
I feel most comfortable in Premiere. It's less bureaucratic than other softwares. Anything we can think of is literally like a few clicks away.
We decided to use Premiere Pro because that's what I've always used. I feel like sometimes Premiere is my right arm, you know? Now we are one.
When the pandemic hit, we barely felt the interruption when we went home.
I actually was editing alone in my apartment the entire time. Everything was done remotely.
The productions feature is a huge step forward for remote collaboration. Regardless of where you are in the world, you don't need everybody in the same place.
I had an assistant working remotely as well. We were able to share projects, media, and it was seamless, thanks to the whole Creative Cloud suite.
I love editing. It has really expanded my perspective on the world.
If you can inspire people to act or think differently, what better way is there to make a living?